Welcome to the brand new series here at BlueBearCrypto, where we break down the top cryptocurrencies one by one. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by crypto and just don't know where to start, this is the series for you. Each episode will dive into what a coin is, why it matters, the good, the bad, the risks, and the most recent updates that actually matter, all explained in a clear, simple way. And today, we're kicking it off with the king of them all, Bitcoin. So what actually is Bitcoin? The simplest explanation, Bitcoin is digital money that no single person, company, or government controls. It runs on something called blockchain, which is basically a public record of every transaction that is ever made, and it's open for anyone to verify. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by someone using the name Satoshi Nakamoto, and we still don't know who they really are. So why is Bitcoin important? Bitcoin is important for a few major reasons. No bank or government controls it. The network runs on thousands of computers worldwide. It has a limited supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin. And this is why some people call it digital gold. It allows peer-to-peer payments. You can send money to anyone, anywhere in the world, without needing permission from a bank. And most importantly, it's the foundation of the entire crypto industry. Every other coin or token exists because Bitcoin opened the door. So how does Bitcoin actually work? Your transactions get grouped into a block. Miners, or people running powerful computers, compete to solve a mathematical puzzle. The first one to solve it adds the block to the blockchain and gets rewarded with newly created Bitcoin. This process is called proof of work. It keeps the network secure, prevents double spending, and makes Bitcoin extremely hard to attack. So what are the pros of Bitcoin? Let's talk about what makes Bitcoin valuable and important. Security. Bitcoin has never been hacked. Decentralization. There's no single point of failure. Scarcity. Limited supply pushes long-term demand. Global. It works the same everywhere in the world. Transparent. Anyone can verify the blockchain. Some also see it as a hedge against inflation, although this does depend on market conditions. And now the downsides, because every episode in this series will be looking at the good and the bad. Volatility. Bitcoin's price can swing massively. Slow transactions. Compared to modern blockchains, Bitcoin is relatively slow. Energy usage. Mining uses a lot of electricity, though more miners are now moving to renewable sources. Scams are nearby. Not Bitcoin itself, but the surrounding ecosystem attracts scammers targeting beginners. Bitcoin itself is neutral, but the people using it may not be. Here are the most important recent Bitcoin updates worth knowing. Bitcoin ETFs and ETNs. Major financial institutions now offer Bitcoin investment products, which means massive amounts of institutional money can enter the space. The halving has recently been completed. The latest halving reduced miner rewards, making Bitcoin even more scarce. Lightning Network growth. Bitcoin's second layer solution for faster, cheaper payments continues to improve. Mining decentralization. More miners are joining globally every day, strengthening the network. And all of these points help Bitcoin's long-term fundamentals. So, should you care about Bitcoin? If you want to understand crypto, Bitcoin is the starting point. It isn't fast, flashy, or built for complicated apps, but it is the most secure, most decentralized, and most battle-tested cryptocurrency ever created. Love it or hate it, you can't ignore it. This is the first episode of the top 50 crypto series. If we go past 50 and we want to keep going, we will. Next up, we will explore Ethereum. What is it? Why is it different from Bitcoin? and what's happening with its upgrades. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, drop a comment, and let me know which coin you want covering next. And I'll see you in the next one.